last few moments, and the latest on Dorian coming out from the Hurricane Center shows it hasn't changed too much in strength since earlier this morning and late last night. It still has winds of 50 miles per hour. It's still a tropical storm. It's still moving west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. It still has a good bit of thunderstorm activity, a lot of new convection popping up here, and it's moving into the Caribbean from the Atlantic right now with a number of tropical storm watches and warnings in effect for the Lesser Antilles. Computer models still taking it up past Puerto Rico and Hispaniola through the Bahamas and towards South Florida as we get into the weekend. But here's where the forecast has changed a little bit since earlier this morning and late last night. It now no longer has Dorian becoming a hurricane in the Caribbean, but it does come close. 70 mile per hour winds, just 4 mile per hour winds, 4 miles per hour below hurricane strength. That means there still could be some fluctuation here. We may see another model run where it does show a hurricane developing here. Either way, it's going to be a stronger tropical storm as it makes its way up toward Hispaniola and Puerto Rico on Wednesday and into Thursday morning. That will be the big turning point. Will it survive those islands and make it up into the Bahamas, or will it fall apart? If it makes it into the Bahamas, then we continue to see at least a tropical storm and maybe a strong tropical storm moving into South Florida or up by the Space Coast, or maybe even a little farther north than that as we get into Saturday night and Sunday.